Good day everyone, Coach Topper here from the Brain Coach Hub. Today I'm going to be teaching you some of the basic useful techniques that you can use to improve your design in video making. With the technique that I'm going to be teaching today, are you asking this question? How can I remove the background of the picture I recently downloaded? To answer this, let's go to the tricks for removing picture background using PowerPoint. Your picture will be from this picture going to this picture. Let's get started. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you our technique number 1, which is removing the picture background using the PowerPoint. So right now, the first thing that you will be doing is to go to the insert button and look for a picture and look for your device having the picture that you desire to remove the background. So I prepared my picture here. So I'm going to get my desired picture like this, and then I will push the button insert, and you will see your picture like this. So from your left, okay, you will go to format and you will see the remove background button from your left. When you click that remove background button, you will have 4 options. One, having that positive sign is mark areas to keep. Okay, the negative sign is actually mark areas to remove. And you can also discard all the changes, and you can also keep all the changes. So as you can see right now, there's a portion of this picture that you need to remove and a portion of this picture that you need to keep. So as you can see right now, the green portion, you need to remove it. So you click the negative and you just highlight that green portion. Wait for a while until the unwanted portion to be removed, and as you can see right now, there's a portion down there of your picture that you need to keep. So click the positive sign button and then you highlight it, wait for a while, and then see the improvement that will happen to your picture. And then after that, you click outside, and whenever you see that there's a certain portion that that you need to discard or you need to remove, all you have to do is to go to you need to zoom in the picture. You need to go down there, go to remove button once again, click the negative button with mark areas to remove like this. Okay, click the unwanted portion like this, and then you go to you need to zoom this out once again. And gotcha, you already know how to remove the background of your picture using the PowerPoint.